5 fun space facts you must know in your lifetime. First, Saturn can float on water. Imagine a giant pool the size of a planet, and Saturn floating on top. Sounds impossible, right? But it's actually true. Saturn is a gas giant with a density lower than water. This means that if there were a pool big enough, even though it's impossible on Earth, Saturn would actually float like a ping pong ball. 2. It rains diamonds on Neptune and Uranus. What if rain wasn't made of water, but diamonds? On Neptune and Uranus, the extreme pressure in the atmosphere can turn carbon into tiny diamond crystals that fall like rain. This happens because the intense heat and pressure inside these planets break down methane gas, turning it into solid carbon and eventually into diamonds that fall toward the planet's core. 3. The sun is actually white. Imagine looking at the sun from space and realizing it's not yellow, but bright white. From Earth, we see the sun as yellow because our atmosphere scatters blue light more than red. But if you were in space, you would see the sun in its true color. White. The white color comes from a combination of all colors in the light spectrum, which only appears yellow when viewed through Earth's atmosphere. 4. Zombie stars, the stars that can come back to life. You think a dead star stays dead forever? Not always. Some stars, called white dwarfs, can actually come back to life by absorbing material from a nearby star. As they gain more mass, the pressure inside increases until they explode into supernova, making them shine again. This shows how dynamic the universe is. Even something that seems dead can wake up again in cosmic time. Last, astronaut footprints on the moon will last for thousands of years. Ever wondered if the first human footprints on the moon are still there? On the moon, there's no wind or water to erase footprints, so the marks left by Apollo 11 astronauts in 1969 might still be there for thousands, or even millions of years. Since the moon has no atmosphere like Earth, there's no erosion to wipe away Neil Armstrong's footprints or any marks from past lunar missions. So which of these facts blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and share this to spread more space knowledge.